it. Even from the video, you can see or you can tell that this looks crispy. It's delicious, and I know you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must try recipe. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add in flour. I then added in sesame seeds, which is totally optional, salt, and stir these ingredients together till well combined. Once everything has come together, create a well in the middle and add in oil. So I used sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Mix until it forms a breadcrumbs consistency. You want it wet like this. When you squeeze, it should easily come together and then it should fall apart like that. After, I created a well in the middle again and then added in cold water. So I'll mix these ingredients together till well combined until it forms a dough. Once it's formed a dough, I'll knead it for about 3 to 5 minutes, not more than that. You do not want to overstress the dough. So I added in the rest of the water and then I knead it for about 5 minutes. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So you do not want the dough to be sticky. The dough should be exactly like this if you use the right amount of the ingredients. So I covered it with a cling film and then I set it aside. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. In a different saucepan, I added in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, crushed garlic, chopped onion. I let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and then I added in the minced meat. So I'll go ahead and stir the minced meat until it's almost about to come together, like to get ready, and then I added in the seasoning, which is vegetable seasoning, chili flakes, which is totally optional, and salt. I added in black pepper as well. So I'll mix it together and then let it cook until the meat is almost ready. You do not want any liquid in the filling. If not, it will be soggy. So as you can tell, there's liquid here. You want it to cook until the liquid has evaporated, just like so. From the video, you don't see any liquid in it, so you want it to cook until the liquid in the meat has evaporated. I then added in chili powder, green peas, carrots, green onion, and red onion, which are the vegetables that I used. You can use any vegetables. You can take some out or add in more vegetables. This is what you're looking for. I'll stir it so everything has come together, and the last ingredient that I added was chopped parsley. And guys, just look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it amazing? So as you can tell, even from the saucepan, you don't see any liquid in it. You do not want your samosa to be soggy, so please make sure you don't see any liquid in the sauce. So after everything has come together, I set it aside for it to cool down completely before going in with the dough. After, I divided the dough into 8 and then 8 again, which is 16 equal parts. It should be around 30 to 40 grams each. So roll it in the ball shape like this. Make sure you cover it with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface. No, first let's make the glue paste for sealing. So I added a tablespoon of flour and 2 tablespoons of water. So I'll mix till everything has come together and then I'll set it aside. We use that to seal the samosa. After, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface, bring one of the dough, sprinkle a little bit of flour on top, and then I use something with a glass or a bowl with a round surface, and then I cut around like a round shape. As demonstrated in the video, I'll go ahead and divide it into 2 equal parts and then make one at a time. So you want to fold it towards you, like the half side, and then use the glue paste to seal it, and then fold the other side again. Now bring it and open the middle, add in your filling, and you are good to go. So this is very easy, and then it turned out crunchy, crispy, guys. This is amazing. It's very easy to make, and it turned out so delicious. So before sealing, make sure you add the glue paste to the edge, and then pinch it together and use a fork to design it. And that's it. Basically, that's it. It's simple, easy, and you're good to go. When you finish, go ahead and preheat your oil. Fry these bad boys and Guys, in no time this was ready and it turned out yumicious. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Stay close to it and keep turning it until they are ready, depending on the size that you're going to make yours. Mine was around medium size, and it took like 8 to 10 minutes, maybe less than that, for getting ready. I don't know how you're going to do yours, but just stay close to it, and then when it turns to golden brown like that, that means it's ready, guys. I have a lot of samosa recipes on my channel. Please go to my channel. You find a lot and easy, and it's so delicious. Just go in and find one that is easier for you and try it and let me know in the comment section. So when you get to this point like this, you are ready. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it wonderful, guys? This is beautiful. And it was delicious. It finished in no time because my friend and the kids were here, and trust me, they were fighting over it. It got finished in no time. Please share, and thank you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.